What's up, YouTube? Rando Finds here, and today we're going to take a look at BagPodz. So let's open it up. All right. So what's cool about this is it says there's 10 bags in here, and it's just in a convenient pod. So these are reusable shopping bags. What's pretty neat, aside from the fact that they come in this carry case, is you can reload them. It's pretty easy to reload them. And it says one bag holds 50 pounds, so that's pretty impressive. One of the things I like about it is it has this hook. You could just hook it onto the cart. I'm an avid Aldi shopper, so I always carry reusable bags, but never in this compact way, so it's pretty neat. So we'll open it up and we'll just take a look. All right, so I have the blue one. We'll pull one out. So, not the biggest bag, but big enough. Has handles. They're water resistant, which is nice. But there's 10 in here, so should be enough to get all the groceries in. If you're looking for reusable bags where you can store them neatly, attach it to the cart, and they're pretty strong, check out BagPodz. I purchased these on Amazon, and I'll include the link. Thanks for watching.